You know what time it is. Loaner car. This is a 2018 Impreza. Doesn't sound like a Subaru. Is this our first 2018 car? Maybe. Can I see out the back? Kinda. Oh, it looks like one of the baby tie-down straps is open, little cover, which means maybe the last person who had this car. It has 1,500 miles on it, so maybe the last person who had this had a baby. And what should I do with this? Okay, the point is that they don't have a lower control arm in stock for a 2004 Forester. So Ken and the crew at Steve Moyer, kind enough to give me a loaner. And it's not even a base model. It's got alloy wheels. No plastic wheel covers for this guy. I wonder where the rev limiter is. Oh, please don't abuse this, Brian. They were nice to you. They gave you a loaner car that's like open-ended. I have this until they're done with Goldie. And the heated seats are already... Oh, wise guys. Putting the heated seats on high. Barbecue my butt. So, shame I can't drive lift with this, since, you know, it's not my car. Man, these heated seats are gonna be nice. Well, a new car with unlimited miles on it. And the one tech guy said, oh, you might want to take your Easy Pass with you. And I think, yeah, I think I do want to take my Easy Pass with me. See, that's a weird thing. Like, even though I'm paying for the gas and everything, I still have this desire now, because it's a new car, to drive it as far as I want. Well, I guess we got to review this, don't we? 2018 Impreza. And we could do like a long-term review. I've never gotten a long-termer before. Ken over at Steve Moyer, Ken is their marketing and media guy, said that they're getting in some version of the WRX in a couple of months. It's like the send-off to whatever traditional engine that the WRX has. It's some special thing, I've forgotten the name. He wants us to come over there and do a review on that, which is nice that actually some dealerships now are coming around that, hey, maybe the guys from regular car reviews aren't assholes, and they're actually really nice in real life. And you can trust them to, you know, play nice with brands. But even though Ken's a fan of the show, and he said, well, you can make jokes, just dial them back a little bit. Man, I wish this was manual. It has a manual mode. All right, here we go. Manual mode. Fourth, third, second. These gears feel kind of tall. 40 miles an hour, I'm turning 3,000 something. Oh, it doesn't have a water temperature gauge, so I don't know if the engine's really up to temperature or not. I mean, the idiot gauge went away. Watch me get a ticket in this thing. It certainly is quiet. Would an Impreza, like, people have been saying Impreza wagon, but the Impreza wagon didn't have 4 metal tie-down loops in the back, and the trunk isn't the rear liftgate isn't exactly flat. So this is how this little saga of Goldie has ended right now. It's gonna have its lower control arm replaced, and then Bruce is going to weld it up, and that's where I'm going right now, just to tell him what happened over there at Steve Moyer. So we won't be able to schedule it in at Bruce's until it's done over there at Steve Moyer. But thankfully, they are taking care of that under the recall. So thank you very much, and now we get to enjoy a 2018 Impreza sedan. So see you next time.